Hi there, Woxians. This is Belle from Woxo. Hope you're having a lovely day, and today I'm gonna share some cool tricks with you that you can use for your videos. So let's get started. Many of you are wondering, okay, I have the URL of a picture or a video, but how can I add it to my video editing table? So here's a cool trick. Let's suppose we're on Pexels and I want to add this cute picture to one of my videos, but I want to add it directly to the table. I don't want to use Google Spreadsheets or CSV. I just want to add it there. What can I do? Well, I'm going to just copy the image address, so it's the URL. I'm going to go to Woxo, and here I have to go to the advanced switch. So I'm just going to go here, and voila, you go here, you just select all this, delete the item, and paste your image here. We click it, we go back to the, if we made all changes to the normal settings, and ta-da! There you go. Your URL and your picture are finally here in just 2 quick steps. So you can change as many URLs you want directly from the table. So put and insert all your videos and images directly from the URL into the table. Hope this has helped and have a lovely day. Bye!